Good day, ma'am. Now, the next demonstration that I will do is the feeding and burping the baby. So, the materials needed for this demonstration are burping cloth, bib. So, I'm using improvised bib, ma'am, because I don't have the exact equipment for it. So, new diaper if the diaper's baby is soiled, and then the formula. So, the first thing that we must do is we need to put the burping cloth to the shoulder, to our shoulder. And then, let's put the bib to the baby. And then, let's get the baby carefully by assisting the head and the back of the baby. And then, let's feed the baby. Then let's wipe the baby's mouth, and we need to help the baby burp. So, let's stop the back of the baby slowly until the babies will burp. So, we need to make sure that the mouth and the nose of the baby are not covered by any cloth. And then, we need to continue to feed the baby until the milk or until the baby is now full. So, after letting the baby burp, now let's check the baby's diaper if it is soiled. So, the diaper of the baby is not soiled, so it is not necessary to change her or his diaper. And then let the baby sleep. And then after that, we need to put the baby back to the crib. So after we put the baby to the crib, now let's do the aftercare of the equipment. So that is how we are going to do the feeding and burping the baby. Thank you.